Welcome back, guys. It is game time. I am Game Time Barney, and today we're talking SEO. How to get your videos ranked in YouTube, and really any other platform that you're trying to get your content out there. It's all about your tags, your naming conventions, your keywords. It's just like in a resume, right? So when you build your resume and you want a company to look at you over somebody else, and all they have to go off of is the resume at this point, they're looking at keywords, and those keywords are going to drive their interest. And that's exactly what's going to happen in these, in how people decide to choose your video over somebody else's, or whether or not your video gets put in front of people over another video. It's all based on tags, keywords, and other analytics and statistical driven information. So to jump right in, how I start, of course, is with a thumbnail. And as you probably saw in the thumbnail for this video, I was just pointing out that more than, or just about 3/4 of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed, and about 1/4 of them, or a little less, are. So just pointing out that my videos are getting in front of people. It's not to say it's the wrong people, but it's just more people that aren't subscribed are watching than the people that are subscribed to the channel. So that's the first thing I do is, try to come up with, once I know the topic and I know what I'm gonna be presenting, I come up with the thumbnail. Then I start to generate the list. There are some really good SEO generators, free SEO generators or tag generators out on the internet you can use. Essentially, you can put in what your video is about, and it will give you a list of tags. You can do that, or what I like to do is just get right on YouTube and start looking for what you want to look up. Like if you want to look up how to rank my video, you're going to see what people have actually typed in there. That's what you want to use as your tags. Those are going to be the things that you're going to want to have, in your description, in your tags. Check out a couple other videos and see how their descriptions are written. You can see how other creators have laid out their descriptions for their videos that have similar content that you do, and set yours up in a similar fashion so that you can generate as much headway as possible. And then tracking, at least for me, when and how often you upload is another really good statistic that you really need to put a lot of time and energy in. If you're going to upload weekly, make sure you're uploading weekly. That way your subscribers know, hey, every Wednesday this channel uploads. So I'm going to stop by Wednesday nights, or Wednesday afternoons, and take a look and see what the new video is. And then that's the other part of it is time of day. It may not be as important, but if you're always going to upload in the morning, or do morning style videos, like my wife loves watching a handful of vloggers that will, do a here's my day, and basically that's how she starts her day, is with them starting their day. And if they all of a sudden switch their stuff up and was, doing evening content, or, what they had for dinner the night before type of stuff, she may want to watch somebody else or switch to something else for her morning routine, because that's not the content that she wants to watch, getting ready in the morning. So be consistent. Do your research. Really make sure that you understand where to find the information. A lot of the information is available on YouTube. Just take a look at other videos and see how those users are presenting their metadata. Make sure that you've got tags and good descriptions in all of your videos. Really good fire hot keywords like, new 2023, just things that really make your video, make the title pop, but also make sure that it is stuff that people are searching for. You don't want to create content that nobody's looking for, right? So again, get on YouTube, just type in there. Like if you want to make a video about, which there's going to be a series coming up of, I'm going to do with Blender creations, right? Creating characters in Blender and setting up riggings, bones for them, armatures. So I'm going to get on and look up what people are typing in to find videos, and that's, I'm going to use that information to name my videos and to put descriptions in and tag them and stuff like that, so that I know I've got the SEO behind it. Do the research. Don't forget the thumbnail. That's probably up there, number one, number two. Even if you get that video in front of somebody, if that thumbnail's garbage or doesn't really represent something catchy or something fun, something they might want to watch, you are not going to get them to click your video. And even if you do, it might not be for long. They might click it and go, yeah, I knew this wasn't going to be good, and then walk away. All right, so do your due diligence, keep pushing through, don't stop, and remember, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to grow this channel. We're going to bring as much content as possible across a wide spectrum of things, from, of course, our early stuff, gaming, to a day in the life with me, Game Time Barney. I've been doing a lot of homegrown stuff about where we live in Rome, New York lately. Just trying to get stuff put out there so that we can get our channel and our videos in front of as many people as possible. Make sure that, if you found any of the information in this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and just say hey. Hit the bell notification button so you know the next time we upload. And yeah, if you want to see anything else, or there's a topic that you want me to hit on, I'll do the research and I'll bring the video to you. So I will see you guys in the next one. I am Game Time. Thank you so much. Peace.